Today I went to pet store to try and find something that I can decorate this coffee table with. I didn't find anything, but I bought this small mirror here. It looks like a tray, but it's actually a mirror. It's actually a mirror that you can hang on the wall. So for now, I'm using it to decorate this coffee table. I also bought the small vase and these artificial flowers. They actually cost me less than 110 rand. Yeah, I'm going to use them for now up until I find something that I can decorate this coffee table with. It's not looking dead. I think it's working. Good morning guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back from jogging and I'm preparing breakfast for myself. I've got cherry tomatoes here, spinach, a little bit of oil, feta, plain cheese. I'm going to use 4 eggs. I already popped up 3 of them here, and this is the last one that I'm popping. And I'm going to use a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm adding spinach, a little bit of spinach. I hid the spinach in the freezer. You can use fresh spinach if you are going to try this recipe. I'm now going to add cherry tomatoes. Okay, I added spinach and cherry tomatoes already. So now I'm gonna add feta cheese. Let us now add feta cheese. I'm just going to chop it roughly and then add it. I'm not gonna add a lot because I have only 4 eggs in here. I think that is enough. By the way, for those who don't know me guys, my name is Elizabeth. I love to cook, so I'm sharing my recipes with you guys. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Adding a little bit of salt. Why is it not coming out? And a little bit of pepper. Not too much. I don't think the salt is enough. Add a little bit again. And I am now going to mix it. I'm using these containers because I'm going to bake this in the oven. And then you have to grease them a little bit with oil. I already preheated my oven, so I'm going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. If you have a muffin tray, a small one, you can also use it to do this. Wow, this looks so nice and delicious. I'm now going to take them out of the oven. If your oven is slow, you can bake this for 20 minutes if it is slow, just to make sure that it is well baked. This is the final result, guys. The steaks are nicely baked. This is my breakfast, guys. I'm going to enjoy this with a fresh cup of rooibos tea. Thanks for watching. Please share and like the video, and to those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it.